Welcome to the Client Utility. At TPS, we're always trying to come up with ways to make your day and your job easier. We're aware that you might have lots of clients and updating them one by one can be a bit of a pain. So we created this client utility which helps you update a few, a whole bunch, or even all your clients all at once. Let me show you how it works. This is just the main overview to get you to the next step. Here on the main screen you can see that it says Client Batch Update. That's because you're going to be updating a batch of clients. You start out in split screen with your client info over here on the left and your selection screen on the right. And it even tells you, it has instructions right here. It says please select the clients you want to update by selecting them on the list and clicking the Add to List button. But we'll get to that in just a second. The client screen should look familiar to you as it was made to mimic the main TPS client screen. Up top, we have some search fields that will help you narrow this list down if you're searching for specific clients to update. Just like on the main TPS client screen, you can search by status, so all like I have here now, or active, inactive, or prospect clients. You can search by type, so all or just companies or individuals. You can search by name, email, address, or phone number, and then you have the clear button to use if you have used any of the search criteria. Our buttons here, we have the refresh, reload. We have the settings that you see on most TPS screens that allows you to download an Excel version of what you see back here. That'll download to your computer. You can change how many items you see per page, and you can add or remove columns. Your filters will help you narrow down your clients in ways the search fields cannot. So you might want to filter for clients under a specific partner, manager, or accountant, by category or engagement, by group, or by year end. And you may even want to do it by clients on hold, non-chargeable clients, or clients with no categories only. And then you would just click search. If you're in the middle of this and realize you want to change it, you can just hit reset to clear them all and start over. So all of that is just like what you have on the TPS client screen. Now you can see here that it says step 1, select clients, so it's walking you through the steps. All we need to do on this screen is select the clients you're wanting to update. You can do it one by one. You can click here to select all your clients, or you can even select one, hold down the shift button, and select another to grab all between. I'm going to go ahead and select all. Once you've selected your clients, like it says here, you click add to the list to bring them over here to the right hand side. One thing of importance to note is notice even though I selected all and added them to the list, it tells me that I have 30 selected clients. Here you can barely see it, but it says I have 30 out of 49 records. That means I did not grab all of them. It only grabbed the ones that I'm actually seeing on this screen. So there's two ways of making sure that we grab all of them. Either I can do what I just did and add all from this screen, then click the second page, select all here, and add those, which I'll do now, and you can see that I have 49 selected clients now. I'm going to go ahead and clear this list to show you the other way of going about doing this. Here in the settings, I know I have 49 clients, and I'm only showing 30 per page. If I have 49 of them, I can actually click here to show all 50. I'll click out of here, and now you can see that I only have one page full of clients. I'm showing up to 50, so all 49 of them are showing right now on one page. So if I wanted to select all the clients now, I would select here, click add to list, and you can see that it's now selected 49 clients. At this point, my options are to clear the list like I did before, or if there are just one or a couple that I want to get rid of and take off this list and I'm not ready to update, I can do them individually by clicking the trash can icon and removing them. But if I want to update everything that I have over here, my next option is to click update the 49 selected clients. So I'll click this button, and that brings me to the next screen. This is where we get to choose what exactly we're updating for these clients. And as you can see, it's on step 2, update clients. Keep in mind that with any of these tabs on this screen, once you've made an update to your clients, that action cannot be undone. Some of the tabs will allow you to change some info, or in the instance of categories, you can remove existing categories from these clients, but that would remove all of the categories, not just the ones you've added to a client. So make sure you want to go through with this before actually updating these clients. That said, let's go through the tabs we have here, and I won't go into too much info on these because As you can see, there's a video for each of these that describes the process of updating that information for your clients. But here on the category screen, you can update the categories, even remove existing categories from selected clients. Just a heads up, you cannot create categories from this page. This is for existing categories you've already created. So before you get into this, if you want to add a category to any of your clients using that client utility, you'd have to come into the client properties for at least one of your clients. It really doesn't matter which one. Come to your categories tab. There's a video in here that shows you how to create a category, but you would need to at least create the category in here and save it. Then you would see that new category show up in this list of all your categories. You can update your clients' engagements. Just like with the categories though, you cannot create an engagement on this page. You'd have to do that in the client properties. This is just for adding existing engagements. You can update your client's billing information, some of the client properties information, and your client's contacts info. Keep in mind that adding specific contact people to your clients needs to be done in the client properties on the contacts tab. This is more for choosing the type of contact they will be and which information they should receive, etc. The video here explains it all a little bit better, but just know that to add a contact to the system, say Jonathan Myers, he would need to be added on the Client Properties Contacts tab. And I think that covers everything for the main overview video. Again, make sure you watch each of these videos to get a better understanding of how to update your clients with that information. Thank you so much for watching.